Hello everyone and welcome back to Mumbai House. Today we are going to take a detailed look at Yamaha's new electric scooter, the Yamaha EC06. The EC06 is designed as a modern electric scooter with a sporty appearance, practical features and a focus on comfortable urban riding. Let's start with the design. The Yamaha EC06 has a modern and stylish design with sharp body lines and a premium looking finish. The LED lighting, aerodynamic body design and attractive alloy wheels give the scooter a sporty and contemporary appearance. The compact dimensions make it suitable for everyday city riding, especially in busy urban traffic. Now let's talk about the electric motor. The EC06 is powered by an electric motor designed for smooth and instant acceleration. Unlike a petrol scooter, there is no traditional engine or gearbox. Electric power is delivered directly to the wheel, giving the scooter quick response when you twist the throttle. One of the biggest advantages of an electric scooter is the quiet and smooth ride experience. Now let's talk about the battery. The Yamaha EC06 uses a lithium-ion battery pack that is designed to provide practical range for daily commuting. The battery can be charged using a compatible charging system, making it convenient for regular urban use. The actual riding range can vary depending on riding style, rider weight, traffic conditions, road conditions, and speed. Now coming to performance. The EC06 is designed mainly for city riding. The instant torque from the electric motor makes acceleration smooth and responsive, especially when starting from traffic lights. The scooter also provides a comfortable riding position, making it suitable for daily commuting. Now let's look at the suspension. The front suspension helps absorb bumps and uneven sections of the road, while the rear suspension is designed to provide additional comfort for both the rider and passenger. For braking, the EC06 comes with a modern braking system designed to provide controlled and confident stopping. Depending on the variant and market specification, the scooter may feature additional electronic safety and riding aids. Now let's talk about the tires and wheels. The scooter gets modern wheels and tires designed to provide a good balance between stability, grip, and city maneuverability. The overall setup is suitable for everyday urban roads. One of the important advantages of the EC06 is its practicality. You get a comfortable riding position, easy handling, and convenient storage and charging solutions designed for everyday electric mobility. The scooter also comes with modern digital technology, allowing the rider to monitor important information such as speed, battery level, and riding information. Another major advantage of an electric scooter is running cost. There is no petrol engine, engine oil, or traditional exhaust system. This means routine maintenance can potentially be simpler compared with a conventional petrol scooter. However, charging infrastructure and charging time are important factors that buyers should consider before purchasing an electric scooter. So, who is the Yamaha EC06 designed for? It is mainly aimed at riders looking for a modern electric scooter for daily city commuting with easy handling, quiet operation, and lower running costs. If you're looking for a stylish electric scooter from a well-known motorcycle manufacturer, the Yamaha EC06 is certainly a model worth checking out. Overall, the Yamaha EC06 brings together modern electric technology, stylish design, smooth acceleration, and practical urban mobility. If you're planning to buy an electric scooter, this is definitely a model you should compare with other electric scooters available in the market. So, what do you think about the new Yamaha EC06? Do you prefer an electric scooter like this? Or would you still choose a petrol scooter? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Mumbai House for more new vehicle reviews, electric vehicle videos, travel videos and family entertainment. Thank you for watching. Ride safe, ride smart and choose electric.